Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to use inner join in SQL Server. Okay. Now we are going to use two tables, sales and product, to use an example. First of all, let's see the records in both tables. Sales, sales table contains the sales detail of a product and product table contains the detailed information of a product. Let's have a join between these two tables to return the detail of product in sales table. Okay, select sales. We are using as alias S. Then join product P column name product. Okay, because this column is the same between both tables. Okay, S dot star. This will return all columns from sales table, and P dot star. This will return all the columns from product table. Let's execute this query and see here. These are the all columns from sales table and these are all columns from product table. Now we can remove one column from here. We need to use only product name and unit price. Product name P dot unit price. Now I am going to execute all three queries together to see the result or compare result. Have you seen? This product table contains 5 products while sales table contains only 2 products. From inner join there only match records are returned. Okay, see here 2, 3 and 1, 4, 5 not returned. Thank you for watching this video.